Hi, I'm Renee from Martha and Me, and I am going to be crocheting a sweater. I haven't done much in the way of clothing, so this is new to me. And in the instructions, they told me to crochet into the back loop, and their abbreviation for that is BLO, back loop only. And so I thought you might be interested in discovering what that was all about. I'm not used to the back loop, as I said, so this is new for me too. So this is normally what my chain would look like. And there's the characteristic V's, and I would normally just crochet into those chains. But my sweater pattern has asked me to crochet into the back loops. And this is what the back loops look like. Behind every one of those V's is a hump, a loop behind it, and you just crochet into this loop instead of into the chain on front. So what's that going to look like, and what difference is that going to make to my sweater? So I decided to stitch up a couple of little samples to see. This is normally the way I would have done it, with just my normal chain stitch and my normal single crochet here into the chain. Yes, into the chain. And it's quite floppy, and it isn't really very attractive looking. And this is when I went into the back loop, and look what a difference this makes. This is a lovely, lovely sample piece here. When I pick it up, look how firm and nice it is. I think this is going to be a much better basis for my sweater than this floppy little sample here.